Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation session. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin to relax your body and mind. Let's begin. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation in the air entering and leaving your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, allowing each breath to bring a sense of calm and relaxation to your entire being. Now bring your awareness to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly scan down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to these areas, allowing them to soften and release any stress that they may be holding. Now let's take a moment to think about 3 things you are grateful for in this moment. They can be simple things like the warmth of the sun, the sounds of birds chirping, or the breath in your lungs. With each gratitude, feel a sense of appreciation and joy filling your heart. Allow yourself to bask in the positivity and the abundance of these blessings. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath in and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace, relaxation, and gratitude with you as you go about your day. Remember that you can always return to this pace of calm within yourself whenever you need it. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you move forward with a renewed sense of clarity and serenity.